What a week we just passed. Oh my days. So, week 3, we still failed to change the $300 into $2,700. But it was just not a fail, or I'm not going to count it as a fail because my trading went to my take profit. Just the only part that I failed is to actually let it run, or I just over managed it in a way. So I got break even. My stop loss, I put my stop loss on my break even, and the thing just came up, touched my take profit stop loss, and went to the beautiful take profit. So learned lesson for the week. For next week, we're not gonna manage an account. Either I blow the account or I take profit. And yeah, next week goal, I'm not gonna change the week goal because if I change next week goal 2,700, it's gonna be $8,000. I mean, I'm not gonna limit myself. If I'm to the point of 2,700, I'm not gonna be like, oh, I'm done for the week. If I see a good opportunity, I'm gonna be taking it so that I can maximize the week goal. So again, this is part of the challenge. Me getting break even, missing a trade. I know we're a little bit behind of the challenge, but still, I got nowhere to run, or I still got like a lot of time. So that being said, let me just show you the trade I took on GBP why I took it, and how I got break even. Yeah, so the trade was on a GBP and the reason why I was planning to sell was, you guys can see on the weekly time frame. This, I'm just gonna erase this one just to show you what my view was. So on the weekly time frame, you guys can see this zone right here, this support, this is resistance, support, and again right here, resistant, resistant. So if it didn't break this zone, that means it could use this zone as a support to actually go to the upside. But again, if it broke this zone, if it go below this zone, that means it's gonna be for a downside, actually go to the downside. So I went to the daily time frame, and daily time frame, as you guys can see right here, this structure point is a beautiful support. So I was waiting for two things. Since the current daily time frame is in a bearish, or it's still in a bullish because still didn't break none of this lows, I actually broke it. So the daily time frame currently is in the downtrend, but the 4 hour, I don't think I can go back like this, but the 4 hour, if you guys can see right here, it was in a downtrend because it had a, both daily and 4 hour time frame with both in a downtrend. And I was waiting for two things: either a break from this structure so that it changed the character to actually go to the upside, or a break over the support and resistance zone to actually take a sell. So I waited for the sell, or I waited for the break of the support and resistance, broke it right here, wait for my entry signal. I got a beautiful 4 hour bearish engulfing, but I think I got it on the 30-minute time frame over this bearish engulfing. And I was targeting this low, this structure level, but I put my stop loss at break even because I was in a point of 1 to 2 risk reward. Right here I was like 1 to 6, so I put my stop loss at break even, and the trade came back to my stop loss or to my break even and went to my take profit. So it sucks that I wasn't part of it, but it's just part of the game. You miss some, you win some. I didn't win for 2 weeks, but it happens. Next week might be a good week, and it's gonna be a good week probably. And next week goal is to change this 300 to 2,700. I'm not gonna change anything. And yeah, trading is a mindset game, and it's gonna cook me, I know, but I'm gonna cook it as well. So with that being said, I'll see you guys next week. I'll see how the next week goes, and peace.